hard can this be? Easy.
Telemetry lost.
Like I said, how hard can this be? Oh my god. Oh crap. Oh dear.
Hey, what are you doing?
What am I doing? Nothing.
Well, I just came back to tell you I'm going to get something to eat.
Okay.
See ya.
So I can't fly. Yet. They call me the help. I've got to be good for something more. I'm gonna make a video.
What's the matter with man again?
You need to figure out a way to live stream from your drone.
Oh yeah. I think that I need to bring something up here. We're up to 125 subscribers, and no one said thank you. Thank you. And good night.